See what we get through. This is why we don't use mortar fireworks. Fires like this result. This is someone's ranch. This whole area is known for horses along the riverbed. Sad to say, probably mortar fireworks playing around. Practice 4th of July safely, people, or else this is what happens. Sad, someone's losing their property. See this? See, this is why we don't play with the mortars, boys and girls. What's up, Ziggy? Yeah, I saw smoke globe roll out in front of my house. Someone's losing their ranch right now. Oh, it's these idiots with the mortar around fireworks. Not legal here, there's a reason. This place is going up. I just hope the hell there's no horses stuck in there. Because this area is big on horses and right along the riverbed. You can see the blue going on now a little better. Yeah, we're watching someone's ranch go up right now. How shitty is that? Happy 4th of July for all these idiots with the illegal mortars. Probably what caused it. They're overly abundant over here.
Gitu loh kawan.
What's up, Ziggy? Yeah, you guys see it there yourselves. It's flaring up good. It's getting even bigger. That's someone's ranch, someone's property, someone's livelihood just going up in smoke. I saw this plume from my house, from my friend's house. This is why we don't play with the mortars, so. Yeah, it's flaring up even bigger. And mind you, this view's from 400 yards away, 500 yards away. Freaking lens from this. That's how big a fire we've got. Something's exploding. You can hear it going. Yeah, it does look like it's growing hugely. Flames are now jumping up 20 feet. It's getting way big. I told my friend I know she's doing a periscope, she'll be able to see this. No, this is houses. This is someone's ranch. This area, it's like off a slight hill and it's next to the wash area. That's someone's ranch right there. were asking about Periscope. If you load it right now and zoom in by Bluff Street, you can see this live through me. Alright? What's your username? I'll keep an eye. Okay, I'll keep an eye out, but yeah, you'll see it. Alright, bye. Holy shit, it's getting big. It also wouldn't surprise me if it was illegal fireworks storage. Alright guys, I'm shift north, trying to put my other phone away. Using a fence as a base. Yeah, right now those fire flames you're seeing come up, those are going probably 30 feet off the top of the building. At least 30 feet. They had some party down below. And they didn't cut off their party apparently. Big fire right, oh, I don't know, 75 yards from their house. I'm like, oh, let's party on. It's a ranch fire. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit better of a view. There, let's try this view, see if it's a little better. A little higher up angle. Keep trying to tap adjust the brightness. But yeah, that definitely looks like one of the ranch houses. There's been some pops and then now the flames are going up a good 30-40 feet. Where's it at? This is, what the hell is this? Bluff Street, edge of Montebello, Eco border. Train's blocking off the lower part of the view, but yeah, now the flames are jumping up like 40 feet off the roof. Just keep getting higher and higher, because the building itself is recessed from where I'm staying. I'm staying above looking down here. Pretty much at the bridge, at the railroad bridge. Like if you take the railroad bridge, it's on the eco side of it. Kind of right next to where it goes down to the spreading grounds for the water. Sounds like they're actually speeding up the train, like, oh crap, because it's definitely speeding up and here it's coming. It's growing though. I mean, this fire is getting actually worse. You can see where an entire, looks like, I can't tell if it's a stables or a building. Sorry guys, I keep trying to adjust my brightness and get to autofocus a little better. Yeah, you can see where this is going up high. The smoke plume is going up probably a good 8,000 to 10,000 feet up. Around here, everybody thinks the mortar fireworks are cutesy and cool and they're going off all the damn time. No, where it's at, they don't really have much for water lines, so they're probably doing the best that they can. I'm on the edge of the red curb, so I hope I don't get a ticket, but... Yep, here's one of the horses coming by. Is it the stables? Is it the stables burning? Yes. Do you guys need any help?
Yeah, please.
Yeah? Alright guys. They're asking for help, so I'm going in. Well, let's see if I can help. Yeah, it's the stables on fire. So that's the horse stables. Oh, there's a party down here. They finally stopped the party. There's all the horses.
There's more right there, Jeff.
You guys need some help?
No, we're good.
You good? Okay.
Oh, chicky.
All right, they say they're good, so help is offered.
What did it say?
One of the people said it was some of the stables. They were pulling horses. Said one person said needed help. These guys just said now they're good now, so probably one of the mortars. You know, the kids have been doing them all freaking for weeks now.
Yeah.
This is the result.
What happened?
10 to 1, I bet you it was a mortar.
Mortar?
Because look at where it is, the fireworks. Yeah. The ones that launch up. Because they keep launching them and launching them. Well, it takes a misfire to go down and hit the stable. You're loaded with hay.
Yeah.
But yeah, one of the ladies that walked by with the horse.
You live over there.
That's different view. Here we go. Looks like they might be getting some water on it. Let me try and zoom back in. I didn't realize I was zoomed out. Right here, city of Pico Rivera, Montebello area. Now that's crackling again. My battery's dying, guys. I'll hold this as long as I can, but yeah, of all the times I didn't bring a backup battery. Yeah, I'm not surprised the image is bad. It's focusing. Yeah, I see water shooting up, so they're getting water on it live now. Hear a pumper truck going. And in the background, you hear more mortars going off. Probably the cause of this wreck, or this fire, rather. Yeah, it's people passing by. Never said I was around the most intelligent. Yeah, they make jokes like that while someone's losing their ranch. People are shit.
I didn't see you.
There was a party down here that these guys were having. I guess they finally were told to shut it down. They're knocking it down. They've got a good handle going now. It's funny you guys made that comment. Yeah, I agree as well as offer all these apps, all the sales apps. They don't take the ads down. Alright guys, well there ain't much left. They've got a good knockdown on onestudpuppy.com. Come view my YouTube videos. Also SoCalSlots.com. But no idea how in the hell good that video looked, but you know, sharing the breaking news. This is probably a result of mortar fireworks. I would not be surprised. This area down here, people fire them over all the time, and you know, stables and hay, and
You know what happened?
takes one chunk. Stables caught fire. More than likely, 10 to 1 bitches of fucking mortars.
Right here?
No, the next one over.
How the fuck did it catch on fire?
Probably these idiots with the mortars. Thinking it's all cute. Let's fire off the illegal fireworks and shit, because they always fire them off over that way. All it takes is
Yeah, I've been hearing the damn big ones be going out, man.
That's exactly what it is.
So they're doing the M80s?
No, the mortars won't go up in the air.
Oh,
All it takes is one chunk of it, you know, and then
yeah,
fucking...
I know, but the thing is that I've seen ones where they try to throw them and then it makes a big explosion, you know?
Yeah. It just takes one to land, and, you know, and that's a stable, so a bunch of hay and dry material.
Hey, so, but like,
So who knows how many horses just died, and someone's losing money and livelihood.
I don't think that I'm pretty sure that when something like that caught on fire, I'm pretty sure that they got the horses out of there.
They were just pulling them out. They said they needed help. I actually ran over there. They got their few out. I don't know how many made it or not.
Yeah, did it barely even start or what?
No, this is knockdown. It's been going for about 20 minutes.
How many horses did they have altogether?
Down there, probably a shitload.
A lot of animals dying.
Yeah, I saw. We're just talking about that. Let's say it's the main stable, right?
Yeah, the main stable is on.
I knew it.
They got all of the horses out there.
I bet you it was a fucking mortar.
It's a firework.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. Firework confirmed. Confirmed. There you go. Someone was just down there from the scene. Illegal fireworks. This is what mortars do, boys and girls. So, yeah. Idiots. Bunch of horses just died. Bunch of animals. Because someone thought it was fucking funny to fire off illegal shit. God damn idiots. No, they need to be year-round banned. California does not need mortars. And that's what caused this. This is an example. This is exactly why the hell mortars are illegal in California. Who knows how many animals just died because some idiot thought, oh, let's fire the fireworks. Yeah, it's fucking funny. I swear to God, it pisses me off. This is Pico Rivera, Montebello off of Bluff. People have been down there forever. You guys sure you don't need help or anything?
If you could just like leave that stem over there, there's still a lot of horses we need to get.
That's why I asked them. They told me no, but...
Oh, yeah, thanks.
All right, we'll come down. All right, they're saying they do need help. Well, everybody else stands around, they're worried about themselves. I'm going to see if I can help. They said there's still a lot of horses, so... Hey, if I can help someone themselves, help save a horse.
We don't know about.
He was saying that you guys still need some help? Because I'm willing to help.
No, I think the fire died down, so we're pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
So how many did you guys lose?
Damn, we don't know.
Still
Hopefully
waiting
not
out.
a lot.
Yeah.
It sucks. What was the fireworks?
We don't even
we have
know.
no
We
idea.
were in the party and the
We had a 315, that's okay.
Oh, shit.
So we have no idea.
Thank you.
All right, no worries, guys. Sorry for I'll have to go through all that. That sucks. And take you guys up for a final view of the response on this. It's quite a significant response of emergency vehicles. Basically, you got PD, fire department, ambulances, fire trucks, and fire trucks. There we go. I found likes to be a picky little beast about white balance. Yep, here you go. So all the vehicles. But the fire's about out. This is why we don't do mortar fireworks in California. They're illegal. Why are they illegal? Because of stuff like this. Someone just lost their stables, chickens, goats. Luckily the horses got out. You see how many emergency vehicles there are. So, if you guys want to watch it from the replay, you'll get a good view. But visit onestudpuppy.com, SoCalSlots.com. Check out my YouTube videos. You know. But again, this is why we don't do illegal fireworks. There's a reason why California mortars are illegal. People aren't responsible enough to have them. And unlike guns, mortar fireworks go anywhere and everywhere. Guns don't kill people. People kill people. Fireworks burn whatever the hell they land on. Hence why mortar fireworks are not allowed in California. On that note, y'all, thank you for visiting.